Hey friends, I want you to keep this image in mind and see what we're gonna do with a simple frame, a little bit of wrapping paper, and some scotch tape. So I'm gonna treat this frame as if it was a gift. Yep, I'm gonna wrap it all up pretty, but wait till you see what else we do to it. Just when you wrap it up, be careful on the corners as they might be a little sharp and they might rip your paper. So you want to be a little gentle. So wrap it up all pretty. Then we're going to move on to some pretty ribbon. So we start the ribbon from the front and bring it toward the back. But I undid it. You know why? Because I forgot to mark where are we hanging our frame. So now we can go back and put our ribbon back. I'm going to leave the tails a little longer, and I'm going to place one going to the top, one going toward the bottom. And then I'm going to put a pretty bow in the center. My bow has snowmans. My paper has snowflakes. It's all going together so far. We're going to repeat the same steps for all the frames. Remember, I had 3. And we're going to wrap them the same exact way. Again, being careful of the corners of your frame. And always make sure you remember where to hang your frame. Okay, I'm going to put a different ribbon now. And this time I'm going to put it a little bit to the side, but bringing it back to the front again. And I'm not leaving a tail this time. I'm just going to tape it down and trim it up a little. I have a different bow, and we're going to attach it again with the pipe cleaners and make it all pretty. So that's frame number 2. Onto frame number 3. We're going to wrap it again the same way. Remember those corners. And always remember to mark where we're going to hang it. And again, I'm going to wrap it with some pretty ribbon. And as you see, I am bringing the second part of the ribbon a little higher, so they all look a little different, and I have a different bow. Coordinating, everything is matching, but it's a different style bow. Now comes the fun part. Here's my bare wall. So we're going to start, and we're going to put the frames up. And look how quick and easy and how inexpensive we turned a little corner. This is a very small wall, friends, into a festive corner. But look who's coming. My cute little snowman hat. Who said that we just make wreath attachments? Look at that. It's a wall decor. And look how it dresses up this whole pretty corner. I'm going to take a photo that takes all of it. You can put them in different ways. I think I am going to make a third one because it kind of needs it. So stay tuned for the third one. I hope you enjoyed.